everybody, this is Nina.
And Steve.
We, sorry about the camera being crooked, but it's laying on the dash. What's that, a bug?
It's a mosquito.
Oh.
I don't know how it got in here,
But anyway, we've had an exciting last few minutes, huh?
Yeah.
Thank goodness my cousin Lisa, one of her best friends, Sherry, they live in another town about 40 minutes away, probably. And she came over today. She has a farm and a big barn and all that. And she took the two Astrolorp roosters home with her. So Steve and I and Sherry and her sister were all, trying to catch them, and I got them both in the little dog kennel thing that she had brought, and somehow they got out. I was like, oh man, that's horrible. But yeah, so they're on their way home, and she said I'll give them a good home, and I know that she will. My cousin Lisa's told me a lot of good things about Sherry, so I know that they're going to a good place. Steve fixed our dinner tonight.
You want this on top of your rice?
Oh, I can fix it, honey. He's got, what is this one called?
General Tso's chicken.
And then that jasmine rice back there.
And then pork egg rolls.
Ooh, yummy. Oh, honey, that's got to be for you. I don't want that much. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
I'll fix something.
Okay.
Looks great, though. Hear that big old frog? Ooh, that went down. I see a frog right over there. Oh, I can't find it.
I never did see no frog over there.
Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was a leaf. Oh, looky, there's a gold koi in here.
Is there?
Yes. Right over here. I just seen a bunch come up.
Oh yeah, I see him over there now.
Yeah, they're there. I didn't know those were in here.
I didn't either. But look at all the little gravel on these lily pads, and they're still floating and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bunch of the little ones. Oh, they're going under now. Do what?
Look at all of the little minnows
Oh my word.
floated through there.
A whole school of them. They're small, but those will get huge.
Another school over there.
I see that. I hear the frogs, I don't see them. We don't know what's going on, but there's people over here playing drums. This is a nature preserve. Those little wild irises, I guess, are so pretty. They're all over the place. Usually when we come here, you can see a whole bunch of turtles, but I don't see the log that they're usually on. I don't see any toads on the lily pads either. Just all kinds of the little goldfish or koi. Oh, there is a bunch of turtles. I see them. Can I get in that corner, sweetheart, so I can...
Where?
Oh, well, looks like there might be. Let's zoom up and find out. Trying to hold it steady. There they are. Last year, I came down here and took a walk back through the wooded area. And it wasn't very long after that. Do you remember, honey, when they found that lady? It was in the winter. She had laid down underneath of one of the little pavilion places. And it was cold, and they don't know if she got lost or if she just froze to death, or I don't think they ever really said. Oh, there's a bunch more. I can't believe how many of those things.
Yeah,
they must have let a bunch of them.
They're all over through here.
Yeah. I don't even have to zoom up hardly, and you can see the orange under the water.
birds out in there.
I know people have got to always litter. So sad. There's a couple of things out there. I hear those big old bullfrogs, but I can't find them.
I can't either. I've been looking and
Sounds like it's really close. Let's get up here a little bit. Okay, you guys see if you can spot one. Oh, there's some of the flowers coming.
no, I just seen it right there.
Did you
It ain't
see
very
one?
Big.
It wasn't very big?
No. It's jumping across through there now. Oh, there's two of them right there. Two little ones.
Well, they make a loud noise, don't
Yeah,
they?
they do.
Want to take a walk in the woods a little bit? We're going to go a different route. Yeah, let's go this way. We'll turn around and let you guys see.
Hi, it's hot.
You
It
checked,
was-
didn't you?
93 today. And so it was hot. I think it's cooled down to about 88 now.
Yeah,
So,
it is cool down though.
but it looks like it's going to rain now. But tomorrow it's supposed to rain, I think, about all day because we're getting that remnants of that tropical storm that come through.
Oh,
And they were saying they're supposed to get that all the way up into Iowa and stuff, and they never get it up in Iowa.
wow.
So,
Hey, here's some clover. Well, it's hard. There it is. It's really pretty and purple, but it doesn't look purple on the camera. I hate when that happens. No, I was feeling better, and even though I didn't sleep at all last night, I thought it'd probably be a good thing to get out and take a little walk today. Someone had a horse,
yeah, and then a
dog.
bear or
There ain't no bears.
there's a deer track.
Yeah. I guess I could have showed them, huh?
Or a cougar or something.
No.
Mountain lion.
Just thought I would take you guys with us for just a little walk. We're not going to walk far. I don't want to wear myself out. Yeah, we went. Oh, we could have went that way. That was
Yeah.
that same track, or trail, I should say.
This is up a big hill.
Oh, did you see the birdie? Cardinal? Yeah, I'm gonna turn you all off so you don't hear me huffing and puffing. Nice paths, though, that they cut. Beautiful woods back there. Oh, there's a good breeze. It's pretty over in there, isn't it? first time that I've had the new camera out, actually taking a walk with it. So I hope it's not gonna be shaky like, you know, using the cell phone used to be. You guys know the little trees that we planted called pawpaw trees? This is a little orchard of them, a cluster of pawpaws, but I don't see any fruit, and they should be having some fruit on them.
Well, not yet, are they?
Yeah,
Are they?
Yeah, I've been watching online. Because some of those, like that one over there, is a big one. Pawpaws, if you've never had them, they are delicious. My dad was always in the woods, and he would always bring me one home, or a couple home. And they taste sort of like a mango, a little bit like a banana, kind of a mixture.
Sure those are pawpaws?
These are over here. I'm almost for certain.
These tall ones right here are the same thing.
Well, they do get pretty big.
Oh, do they? Okay.
Yeah. I'll look at our leaves, but I'm almost for certain.
Yeah, they look like what our leaves do.
Yeah. And they're large.
I didn't know they grew that tall.
Yeah, I believe they do. I could be wrong. I've been wrong in the past. But I'll find out. But I believe that they might be pawpaw trees. Wow, that old dead tree laying there.
It broke off right there, I think.
Oh, it sure did. Look at that.
It kind of rotted.
Kind of rotted.
Kind of rotted.
Just a little bit.
Teeny tiny bit.
Look at all the holes in this tree. Let me zoom up a little bit. That's been popular with the birds, huh? And the other ones that are the same type of tree are the same way back there. Kind of reminds you of the apple trees in The Wizard of Oz.
Hi everybody. Alright, I got some, we went to the P.O. box and I got some more birthday cards, so I wanted to read them. This one says, wishing you a wonderful birthday. Says Steve. And sending lots of happy thoughts your way. Thanks for such a great vlog. Blessings and happy birthday wishes on your 57th from Carolyn Robertson.
Aww.
This one says, a birthday prayer for you. The Lord bless you and keep you.
All right, honey, put that up there. I want to zoom up on that card real quick here. Oh, I'd like to be there, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would.
Okay, and the other one?
There's the other one. And it says, the Lord bless you with daily strength, favor, and health. And with his presence to cheer and to guide, and with everything good and wonderful. May his love keep you in all your ways in the coming year. Happy birthday. And this is from Elaine.
Oh, thank you. All of you guys have been so sweet. And you know, it just makes me feel so good to know that you guys care enough about my sweet hubby to send him cards. Just thank you. Oh, let me zoom up on the puppy.
Here, turn it around.
Says every day is a place you've never been before.
Oh, it's so cute.
Dear Steve, hope today you enjoy looking back on all your achievements and looking forward to many new adventures. Happy birthday and many more happy and healthy ones. Blessings, Miss Dell.
Oh, she's always a sweet. She comments on all the videos. Thank you, Dale. Willow.
Well, this one says, we're wishing you a perfect day.
Ooh, that's pretty too.
Do what makes you happiest. Speak to those who warm your heart. Surround yourself with sights and sounds and people who make you smile. For all the joy you give to others, we're wishing you a perfect birthday. Enjoy your day. You deserve it. God bless you, Steve. May you be blessed with many, many more healthy and happy birthdays. Respectfully, Martha.
Oh,
And she also sent this little notepad.
oh, okay.
It says anything is possible, so Nina will probably use that.
Nine
And
always
then-
takes his paper off.
And then she got
Willow.
magnets or stickers that I'm sure is for Nina because they got flowers.
Ooh,
and
those are
stuff
pretty. Let me
on them.
zoom up on those. Don't lose hope. You never know what tomorrow may bring. Oh, those are nice. Thank you.
So thank you everyone that sent me a happy birthday card and wished me a happy birthday on the videos. I really appreciate that.
All right, everybody. Thanks for being with us today. Where's Willow?
She's down
Willow,
here being
say
grouchy.
bye. Say bye, everybody.
She thinks she got to be petted the whole time.
All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.